Sarah Stamping Retreat. Today we're going to be creating a cute little spring birthday card using some stamps and a stencil from Polka Doodles. So I want to use these rabbits. So I've got this stamp set, which is the spring showers, and you can see it's just really cute little animals on it, and this stamp set, which is the Hoppy Birthday. So I'm just going to use the bunnies off the both of them, and then I'm going to combine that with this stencil here. And so we're going to do a quick background using the stencil and then a bit of stamping to create a cute birthday card. So to start with, I've got this piece of Neenah Solar White cardstock, and that measures 3 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and I'm just going to blend some of my Salvaged Patina ink onto the top of that. And this is just a really easy way to make a sky. I'm going to make it darker at the top and lighter at the bottom. I'm not worried too much about whether my blending's really even, because actually I think it kind of adds to a kind of more cloudy look. And this is a really nice way to make a really quick and simple background. And I'm just going to add this on. I'm going to use a bit of tape to hold this stencil down so it's not slipping around everywhere. And then I'm going to go in with the cracked pistachio. And then I'm going to add some pine needles just to the bottom of it, just to add a bit of dip. So then I'm going to stamp the 3 bunnies onto this spare piece of cardstock. Then I'm going to use this Tropical Garden set to just colour in some of these images. I'll probably end up adding in another set as well, but I've not decided which yet. And I was going to use the greys in here to do the bunnies, but actually I'm actually going to use the soft lilac out of this Mediterranean Terrace garden set. And I'm just going to kind of add a little bit of detail onto them with this. And then I'm also going to bring in this English Country Garden set and use these pinks at the top. Obviously it's absolutely not necessary to have all these colours, just use what you've got. And I use the greens from this Tropical Garden set. I'm not going to use the hearts on here, I'm going to cut those off. I'm doing the butterfly, same colour as the flower, so it ties the pictures together. So then I'm going to cut these out. So I'm going to use this Hoppy Birthday sentiment. I'm going to use that black panel as a bit of a guide as to where to put it, because I want it to go above the panel. So then this black panel is just 1/8 of an inch wider than this panel here, just so you get like a really small black line either side. So I'm going to glue those 2 pieces together. And I'm going to glue that onto my card. And then I'm just going to use some foam pads to add my little bunnies. So then we've got this cute little card. It's a nice, quick and easy little birthday card. I really hope you enjoyed making this with me today. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below. You can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's card are listed in the description below. And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.